Oh, they're all dying, huh? Here. Poor mayflies, huh? See what we're doing it. Look at this. Oh, they're like, feels like touching rubber.
Grubs.
Look at that. Yeah. Looking up by the light though. This too bad this is one of them orange lights.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Oh, look at the ground. It's just covered. Here, let me see your hands. That's crazy. Isn't it?
Feels so weird.
Yeah, poor little things, huh?
I can't even put my hand.
They don't live too long.
I can't even put my hand down on the. I'll climb up here.
Yeah, it looks like a. Come on, boys. Come on. No, get over here.
I'm trying to see.
Water. But look at that. It's like a tornado of them.
Look at the ground.
Oh, listen.
Oh, that's so creepy.
Listen to them.
Oh my gosh. That all is my filthies.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Most of them.
Poor mayflies. They
All
all.
the spider webs.
Yeah.
Do you see all of them?
Feel sorry for all the mayflies.
Oh, I wish I could fly so I could
But
fly
look at
up
them.
there. I put ones that
All come to the light.
Look at.
Poor things. And then I don't know if you can see that light way down there, but let me see if I can get it. Can't see them.
You don't know how bad when they go into the road. Yeah.
Oh, listen.
Look right there, dude. It's so white.
Listen. Can you hear it? It sounds like bacon or something frying. That's so crazy.
I just want to run around the world because it's pure white. Wait, can we?
I know, but you're gonna kill them though. They might be able to fly up yet. Some of them. Look at the way the ground looks. It reminds me of like
I want to go running there through it and try catching one.
Here, wait. You guys stay right there.
This would be perfect for
Stand right here, so I get a scope of how they are. Look at me. That is crazy.